welcome back to my channel, guys. As you can tell from the title and description, this is going to be another tutorial, but today's tutorial is going to all be about how I achieve my slick back ponies. Okay, so if you are interested in seeing my technique and how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Please don't forget to also like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed. What you're going to need, or what the products that I'm going to use, okay, was water. My hair's already wet because it was feeling super dry, so I did go ahead and like wet it in the shower, and then I put a little leave-in conditioner, which is the Garnier Whole Blends. This is the olive oil one, and I'm going to need my brush, my rat tail comb, my scrunchie. And for the ends, like I said, because my hair is feeling a little dry, I'm going to use the Talia Wajib just because I think it's super moisturizing. But this is a curly curl cream, so I'm not going to put on the roots, specifically my ends. So now let's get into this slick back. We're going to part our hair. I want it on the side. Which side? This is my good side though. I think we're gonna part it on that side. Yeah. Yeah, that's my good side. I'm gonna try to make this part as straight as possible because, yeah. This is ghetto. Oh my God. Who knew? Okay. That's good enough. Shoot. Now, like I said, I'm gonna take a little bit of this on my ends. Just the ends because they are dry. And I want them to be moisturized. All in the back and all on the end. The ends. Okay. How I forget the gel? Come on. I don't even know how I forgot the most important ingredient. My Eco Styler, my handy dandy.
When I'm doing this style, I like to go ahead and use the brush first to smooth out everything. Then I like to go ahead and use my rat tail comb to kind of comb out some of those waves. When I do my slick back, I like my hair nice and flat and not so wavy. So now that we are done gelling down one side, I'm going to go ahead and start focusing on the back. Just apply my Eco Styler gel all throughout that back section. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush it down with my brush.
We're gonna spray a little more water, especially on this top part, because we want that nice and flat. Nice and flat.
So now I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the other side. Smoothing the Eco Style gel throughout the section, using my brush to brush it out. Then I'm going to take my rat tail comb to flatten out some of the waves in the section.
We're gonna put a little bit more gel on all over, and we're gonna finish this process. We're gonna take our scrunchie, we're gonna put everything back, okay? Put everything back. And you see this? Bushy. No ma'am. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Y'all was turned up on that one. And we're not gonna do this one tight. This is just so we can make sure that the swoop gets laid like we want it. So we put it in this ponytail and then proceed to the slicking. Like such. And we're gonna fix this front because no ma'am. These baby hairs. We're just gonna swoop those into the pony. Like so.
So I'm taking my comb and just trying to make sure that I get these baby hairs nice and laid. If you have seen any of my other videos, you know that I'm really not that good at doing baby hairs. I just try to do the best I can, and I think they come out pretty good. Alright, so now it's time to take out that loose ponytail and redo it, making sure it's nice and tight and everything is flat and sleek. Now it's time to go ahead and do the baby hairs on the other side. Just taking my comb and swooping and smoothing it out. Now the final step for me to get the sleekest ponytail is to tie it all down. This is going to lay down any flyaways and any hairs that are out of place.
Tying it down is the key for me, like to get my hair as slickety slick as I like it. I'm just gonna fluff out the pony, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little volume. That's her. That's her. That's her. That's her. That's her. Okay. Anyway, bye guys.